So please tell me when I should start.
You should start.
What's your grievance?
Why you are here with your counsel?
I am here today with my counsel, Safala Malouk, who has also been the attorney for Asia Bibi. This matter is essentially about our ability to file an FIR against former Interior Minister Rahman Malik. He has challenged the Islamabad High Court, which is why we are here today. I intend to seek justice in all means possible. Justice first, truth first. Sabse pehle Pakistan, Pakistan Zindabad.
Mr. Rahman Malik says what he did supposedly that does not amount to rape. What do you say?
He knows what he did, and Allah knows what he did.
Why you kept silent about 8 to 10 years, and now you are raising your allegations against PP leadership?
That is a misconception. I don't know if everyone could hear that. The question is why I kept silent. That is a misconception.
For Pakistani viewers.
I did not keep silent. I actually reported the incident to an individual at the U.S. Embassy, and I was forced to stay at my government housing after the incident under the intimidation of the former Interior Minister Rahman Malik. I reported the incident to a U.S. Embassy official as soon as I could, several days after the event, and on my first flight back to the United States to the FBI in Washington, D.C.
For Pakistani viewers.
So was the U.S. government blackmailing Rahman Malik for something important?
I don't speak for the U.S. government.
But do you think Rahman Malik was being blackmailed and they did nothing for you, for the citizen of the United States?
I'd rather not engage in speculation.
And were you engaged with some projects given to you by the military establishment, and was maligning politicians part of that project?
Absolutely not.
What kind of projects were you doing with the ISPR?
My projects have always been, and this is also another misconception that I would like to clarify, which the Ministry of Interior, either due to misinformation, incompetence, or whatever one may call it, I never worked for the ISPR. I never worked for any government institution within Pakistan. By collaboration, facilitation is what we meant. I received my security clearances to travel and to report on my own. Furthermore, my grievance